Alright guys, take a look at this. Take a look at that wasp nest. There are wasps lined up on the nest, behind the nest, on the tree limb, all over the place, and it is full of eggs. And you can see I'm only about 4 foot away from the nest. Again, they won't mess with you unless you hit that limb. But I tell you what, I've seen a bunch of nests over the water in this lake, but I haven't seen one quite like that, with all the bees lined up on the stick like that. That is crazy. So many eggs on that nest. Alright guys, when you're fishing, keep your eyes open. Y'all take care.